Okay, thank you. But the good news, the International Commission for Non-Ionizing Radiation Protection, they have been a very, very tightly guarded body, secretive. You can't join them, you have to be invited to join them. They don't answer to anybody, they are not elected. And they have been a very, very close community. But just Saturday, they are based in Germany. On Saturday, we have a defector. And with 5G coming, he is not prepared to do what they are doing or be a member of their gang anymore. And this arrived from Germany on Saturday for me, and he has said, and he has gone public, there are now 2 large, well-executed and solid studies that point in the same direction. Cancer from exposure from all of these technologies. The data in the large study which found clear correlation between exposure to mobile radiation and cancer rates shows even greater cancer risks than revealed in the first report. Therefore, World Health Organization hazard class 1 instead of today's class 2, which is the one I've just read. It is an airtight, argumented conclusion which supports an overwhelming amount of research. He is asking the world to upgrade the cancer certification from grade 2, which is mercury and lead and benzene, up to grade 1. He said the research substantiates that. Now, I'm going to finish off with no disrespect to the people here. Professor Yuri Grigoriev, who is chair of the Russian Federation for Nuclear and Atomic Sciences, and probably the most knowledgeable person on the planet concerning microwaves and harm, he came over here for one specific purpose. He wanted this article published, which it was, and he gave a lecture and he wanted to warn our government, do not put microwaves in schools. Do not put Wi-Fi in schools. Wi-Fi will have severe neurological damage and physical damage to our children. He came all the way over here just to say that and to warn us. And anyone wants to see the article, you can come around my house and read it and photograph it.